Most new acoustic guitars come with medium gauge strings. They are slightly harder for beginners to use. I actually myself don't use them. I use a light gauge string, and many professionals use light gauge acoustic guitar strings. You don't have to change your strings yet. I recommend that you improve as much as you can over the next few months, but when you do decide to change, could you buy a set of light gauge acoustic guitar strings? It doesn't matter which brand, there's very little difference between any of them. Once it's light gauge, particularly if you have smaller fingers, and for women, you're going to find it easier to press the strings. There's a lot more give in them than the medium gauge. They won't hurt your fingers as much. They still sound great. I use light gauge strings only. I never use medium gauge strings. They still. So these are easier for me to play, and the sound rings for longer than a medium gauge string.